Good morning, YouTubes. Today what we gotta do is we gotta go help a small man with a small bike. Do y'all remember Johnny? Yeah, of course you do. He's the guy on the red street bob that got whooped by the Raider, you know, on the highway. Yeah, that guy. Well, my understanding, and I may be wrong, is he tried to fix his Grom and he broke it. So I have to go over here on my day off because he's too little of a man. It's jokes, people. No, I'm not wearing gloves. Don't yell at me. Listen, okay? This is how I have to use GPS, all right? I have to literally reach in my pocket and get my phone out to look at where I'm going. Now you tell me how I'm supposed to do that with some big ass gloves on. Like how? Oh dude, I don't even have my GPS on. That's fantastic. Oh, here it is. Alright. Looks like we're just hitting this road for a while. The guy with his dog was not happy with me. So I think what we're going to talk about today is working as a salesman in motorcycle sales. Now I specifically work for Harley Davidson. This may apply to any motorcycle dealership. I'm sure it's pretty much all the same stuff. Is this Diley right here? Yep. This is completely safe, I promise you. 110%. I'm supposed to drive like this, right? Cop, and I literally have a phone in my hand. He's turning around. He gave up. Oh man. Anyway, before I get in trouble for riding on a motorcycle with a phone in my hand, and maybe speeding too, I don't really know. Let's get into the subject. First of all, I just want to say, working with what you love every single day is going to be fun, no matter what it is. So yeah, at the end of the day, it's still a job. You know, it's gonna have its job moments. Look at how slow this thing is. That's the slowest bike I've ever seen. Wow, look at that house, man. That's my dream for sure. Will we have a rematch today of the Street Bob and the Raider? Time will tell. My hands are getting a tan today. We're gonna catch up with the rest of the body. And then I'll have to ride next time with no shirt. That way I can catch up with the rest of the body. I'll be honest with you, man. Working in motorcycle sales has perks like this. I mean, whoo! That was air for sure. To be honest, before this, I rode solo, and on my days off, man, I didn't really have anywhere to ride to or any point, you know. I was just like, I gotta go to the grocery store. I guess I'll hop on the motorcycle like a true old man. But since starting this job, I'm riding every day, man. And I love it. You're gonna have your good and your bad. If you're seriously considering selling motorcycles for a living, you need to ask yourself, is this really your passion? Is this really what you want? Because your entire day is surrounded by motorcycles at work. When you get home or off of work, you're riding a motorcycle to home. When you're riding into work, you're riding a motorcycle to work. You get the idea. And when you're off, you can whoop up on your co-workers' street bobs. So if you're thinking about getting into sales in general, and you think motorcycles just sounds cool, but you're not passionate about it, it's not what you love to do, then I think at that point, you should probably consider doing sales with something else. I'm not even really going to get into pay if somebody wants to talk about pay. I mean, that could be down the road in another video, but to be honest, guys, I just started where I'm working now, so I don't want to... What the hell? If you just want to be in sales to make money, yes, you can do it selling motorcycles, but I suggest you sell something else.
You want to head back roads?
Yeah. But you gotta think about it. Everybody that walks in those doors and they're looking to buy a motorcycle, they're there because it's their passion. They love doing it. Yeah, you're gonna get a few people that are like, oh, it's just a toy, I'm just gonna ride it, you know, here and there, and that happens. But more often it's the person that buys the bike with 3 miles on it, and then the next time you see them, they're already having their 5K service done. Those are the people that you're mainly selling motorcycles to. And if you don't have that feeling about it, man, then it's probably not for you. Keep in mind though, I've been doing this only for a month. Well, actually almost 2 months now, but okay, 2 months. So, you know, maybe in a year or two I might have a different feeling, but until then, baby, I'm gonna enjoy it. Well, yeah, before this I was a paramedic, so if you're also worried about not having any sales experience, as long as you're a friendly person and you care what you're selling, you can actually have a good career doing it. Something about the sound of two wheels just backfiring. It's like music to my soul. Sorry, sleeping neighborhood. Hopefully all of you guys were at work, but if it just sounded like thunder was raining down on your home, we apologize. Did I really just say that? Alright. I guess I say stuff like that now. But yeah, so I was an EMT before this, and I did that for 5 years, and I wore myself out fast doing it. So I'm sure it's just like any other job. You can wear yourself out doing anything. But so far, man, if it continues the way it is, I might stick around. Anyway, make sure it's what you want to surround your life with. That's all I'm saying. And I sound like a broken record, but it's extremely important. Anyway, I think I'll just ride like this for the rest of the video. Yeah, so anyway, I know I'm not a wizard. Obviously, like I said, I've been doing the job for 2 months, so maybe I'll update you in the future. That's just my opinion on the job, being so new at it. Something you want to get into, you gotta love it. But yeah, if you're worried about coming from a different line of work and not having a salesman attitude, don't be worried about that. I mean, as long as you can actually find a job. We have, damn, my bad. I love America. Please like the video if you haven't already. Please subscribe, hit that bell icon so you know when I upload and I don't have to keep spamming everybody on my social media.